Just look at that blue sky and emerald sea. Wow. Wow, right? Living on an island in Fiji can be just what you've dreamt of. On our time off, we get to go out to sea and spear all that God provides us. Bring it home to a bit of civilization, and with the perfect batter, it can be fried to crispy sweetness. We then can enjoy this feast with our friends and family to our stomach's content. But before we dive into a full hearty meal, we need to start off with an appetizer of giant clam sashimi. Just hear that crunch. Man, it's a shame I can't fully relay this comforting delight. However, nothing is without its challenges. And believe it or not, this life too can't always be that glamorous and delightful. Islanders have to find all necessary means to get by with everyday expenses, which rises day by day. And as you might understand, getting by isn't easy. They'll have to be working hard to find money from every millimeter of every corner. It goes without saying that the struggle is both day and night. The sky and the sea will not always be that stunning blue and emerald. And so in this strife to get by, the opening of the Beche-de-mer export means a great deal to every person involved. Although the Beche-de-mer export may not lead to a prosperous life, this chance provides islanders with opportunities to upgrade their gear, buy that long-awaited boat, or finally have a machine to clear that spot to build a place they can call home. Or even to fund clearing that village pathway that has been waiting to be cleared. This opportunity extends to our children who can finally get those things they needed most to progress into a brighter education. So with His grace, we ride out today in the starting of the sea cucumber harvesting season 2023.